Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore VBA, which stands for Visual Basic for Applications. If you have ever wanted to make your Excel work easier or automate repetitive tasks, VBA is the solution. Stick around as we go through it step by step. VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications, is a programming language that you can use to enhance the performance of various Office suite programs, but it is particularly famous for its synergy with Microsoft Excel. Why Excel, you ask? Well, because Excel is often used for data organization and analysis, and it involves a lot of repetitive tasks. That's where VBA comes in. With VBA, you can command your computer to perform a series of actions, making your life a whole lot easier. VBA utilizes variables, projects, properties, logical operators, modules, and objects within Excel to accomplish these tasks. You can even modify the graphical user interface features like menus, dialog boxes, forms, and toolbars using VBA. Alright, now let's talk about how you can get access to VBA in Excel. If you can't find the Developer tab in your Microsoft Excel, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Go to the File menu and select Options. Step 2. In the Excel Options window, navigate to the Customize ribbon section. Step 3. Ensure that the Developer option is checked in the right pane. Once you have access to the Developer tab, you will find all the VBA options you need. Now, let us explore how to open VBA in Excel. There are two straightforward methods for this. Method 1. Use a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the alternate key and F11 key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the Visual Basic application window in Excel. Method 2. Use the Developer tab. If you have the Developer tab enabled, you can access VBA from there. Before we dive into coding, let's take a quick look at the Visual Basic editor structure. The editor has a menu bar where you will find various options similar to the Excel ribbon. There's also a toolbar with useful options for quick access. The Project Explorer on the left shows all the objects open in Excel, like worksheets and modules. The Properties window displays the properties of the selected objects, which can be edited. And lastly, the Code window is where you will write or paste your VBA code. Let's quickly cover some vital VBA terms. Module. This is where VBA codes are stored, often referred to as standard modules. Objects. These are elements in Excel like cells, fonts, worksheets, and workbooks that you can manipulate with VBA. Procedures. These are blocks of code that perform specific tasks, like function procedures for calculations and sub-procedures for actions. Statements. A set of instructions including declarations and executable statements. And there you have it, folks, a crash course on VBA in Excel. With VBA, you can tackle those complex financial models, automate repetitive tasks, and unlock the full potential of Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.